This video has been sponsored by Hacking Layman.
Hey guys, I have been real sick, like real bad, and that is why मैं एक भी वीडियो को अपलोड नहीं कर पाया था. But then now I have to do it because I have to return this keyboard. तो मुझे इस कीबोर्ड को वापस करना है, इसलिए let's just make a freaking review out of it. And yeah, let's do it. मौत आ रही है. I wanted to make this video in a very creative way, but then I am not in that great condition to do that. That is why एक काम करते हैं. Let's just make a basic review out of this thing and yeah, basic review. Cosmic Byte GK03 codename Black Eye is a proper mechanical, gaming and RGB keyboard. Let's just begin the review by having a look at the exteriors. The keyboard is highly durable because it is made out of two layers. The upper one being aluminium and the bottom is made out of thick quality plastic. It also provides you with a red colored wrist rest which is easily detachable, and furthermore it provides you with an awesome braided cable and a gold plated USB. Now let's have a look at the keys. These are true mechanical blue switches from a company called as Dixion. Some people might call it that this is a Chinese ripoff of Cherry MX switches. But then the thing is कि इसका जो product description page है वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है that the life of every single key is around 50 million keystrokes. तो on paper this thing looks extremely reliable. And now let's just have a look at the RGB glory, which is the second biggest selling point in this keyboard. The first one being its competitive price point. Let me just show you one thing. Every single key in this keyboard is having its own RGB light, and every single RGB light in this one key, two key, three key, so many keys can cover up to 7 different colors. यानी कि इस keyboard के अंदर you can have a proper VIBGYOR. Have a look. This is insane. So basically this keyboard is LITAF, and let me just show you something. It has got 4 different brightness levels, which is right now it is off, and function key and arrow key. So this is now low settings, medium, and now maximum brightness level. And let me just show you one more thing. Function key again, and now this key. Slow, medium, high, maximum speed. Yep. That's it. Also right now is the time for me to compare both of these keyboards. This is the Cosmic Byte GK03 versus the Redgear MK881. As you can see right now that this thing is giving out much higher brightness comparative to the Redgear one. So यहाँ पर brightness जो है थोड़ी low है, यहाँ पर जो brightness थोड़ी high है. Also one more thing that this is completely RGB, and this thing is only having colors in one single line. तो ये line blue है, ये line red है, ये line green, etc, etc. Also one more thing that this thing is having n number of RGB features. Let me just show it to you. Function key and scroll lock. This is one effect. Another one. Another one. Oh good. Another one. Okay. Another one. Oh cool. Another one. Okay. Another one. Oh cool. Cool. Another one. Okay. Another one. Oh cool, it works. Another one. Oh okay. Another one. Okay. Another one. Another one. And back to the one that we started from. Woohoo! And one more thing in the end, कि अगर ये gaming keyboard है, then how can we leave it without doing the anti-ghosting test? So let's just do that. Q W E R T Y. Okay, great. With the arrow keys. It's working completely fine. ठीक है. Jallad test. Okay, it's working completely fine. One more time. टेस्टिंग में हो गया ये पास. So those were some of the positive points of the keyboard. It is still having n number of RGB features, but then हम उस चीज़ को skip करते हैं. फंक्शन करके 1 कर दो, फंक्शन करके 2 कर दो, तो n number of things are here in the keyboard. But then इसको अगर हम skip कर दें, तो let us just now talk about the negative points. So yes, this keyboard has its own fair share of negative points. First of all, बेसिकली ये एक ऐसा कीबोर्ड है जो कि मैकेनिकल है, मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड विद अ ब्लू स्विचेस. नाउ ब्लू स्विचेस का मतलब ऐसे स्विच होता है जो कि साउंड करते हो क्लिक साउंड. बट जस्ट लिसन टू द साउंड क्वालिटी ऑफ बोथ द कीबोर्ड. सो दिस इज द कॉस्मिक बाइट वन एंड दिस इज द रेड गियर वन. एंड यप, लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. एंड नाउ कॉस्मिक बाइट वन. I am putting equal amount of pressure. Just listen to the red gear. And now cosmic bite. Not just the space bar, also let's go to the shift one. Oh, sorry. Now let's go to escape. So as you can see that the Cosmic Bite is giving more like khut sound, but then comparing this thing to Red Gear, the Red Gear is giving out a much more vibrant and premium sound. And that is what I think is the biggest drawback in that keyboard. So if you are getting yourself a mechanical keyboard with blue switches, and if you are having that thing in your mind कि तुमको clicky sound चाहिए, then Cosmic Bite will be not providing you with that thing. So only thing I just want to say in the end is क्या अगर तुम एक gamer हो who wants to show it off, then definitely you should go with Cosmic Bite, because यहाँ पर show off करने के लिए अच्छी खासी चीज़ें हैं. This is totally RGB, यानी यहाँ पर ब्लू कलर की लाइट है. अगर तुम्हारा सिस्टम रेड या येलो है तो फिर तुमको उसको कवर करना पड़ेगा, तो वही ड्रॉबैक है. लेकिन इफ़ यू आर अ राइटर स्लैश कोडर स्लैश someone who types a lot and you want to get a good mechanical feeling out of it, then definitely go for this thing which is the Red Gear MK881. तो दोनों के दोनों कीबोर्ड्स की जो लिंक है, परचेस लिंक, वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के अंदर होगी. तो इफ यू वांट टू गेट देम, डेफिनेटली बाय इट फ्रॉम दोज लिंक्स. सो रैपिंग दिस वीडियो ऑफ, आई जस्ट वांट टू से वन मोर थिंग, दैट दोनों के दोनों कीबोर्ड जो है वो एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं अपनी अपनी प्राइस पॉइंट के ऊपर. बट देन आज का जो स्टार है वो शो का, वो है Cosmic Bite GK03. एंड इफ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल कीबोर्ड, देन बिलीव मी, दोबारा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन डेफिनेटली गेट दिस कीबोर्ड. इट इज एब्सोल्युटली वैल्यू फॉर मनी कीबोर्ड. This won't disappoint you at all. So that is it for today guys. I hope you liked the video, and अच्छा लगा तो please give this video a thumbs up. Like करके जाओ, subscribe करो अभी तक नहीं किया है तो, and also press the notification bell and follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. Till then, goodbye, peace out, have a nice day, Squad fam.